Weekend camping trips are all about making the most of limited time outdoors. In this video, we're sharing 25 camping gear essentials that every weekend warrior should have ready. Whether you're pitching a tent or planning a short adventure with friends, these picks cover shelter, comfort, safety, cooking, and convenience. Each item is practical, dependable, and chosen to help you get the most from your time in nature, even if it's just for a couple of nights. Let's jump in. Every adventure becomes unforgettable when you have a shelter that elevates camping, literally and creatively. Introducing the Thedookan Loft Penthouse tent, a 2-story luxury tent designed to take outdoor fun to new heights. After setting up the frame, you can place the tent on the first or second floor, letting you camp close to the ground or high in the sky. Enjoy space for up to 4 hammocks, a tarp and parasol for instant shade and rain cover, zippers on all sides, a cozy docking room, and endless configuration possibilities, even linking multiple tents for a massive shared space. When adventure, outages, or travel demand reliable energy, having fast, flexible backup power becomes essential. Meet the YOOATOM Modular Power Station Origin 800 Power Hub, an 800-watt portable UPS battery backup built for home, camping, emergency use, and outdoor adventures. Its modular, shareable power system features 720 watt-hours power banks that work individually or combined for custom capacity. Enjoy 13 output ports, wireless charging, 15 milliseconds UPS protection, and ultra-fast recharging via solar USB-C car or direct module charging. A truly versatile solar generator that keeps every device powered safely and efficiently. When outdoor cooking calls for powerful heat control and rich flavor, a reliable heavy-duty grill becomes a must-have. Introducing the Vivohome Oval Cast Iron Grill, built for serious versatility with interchangeable grill grates and a detachable griddle plate for searing, roasting, and more. Made from durable cast iron, it offers excellent heat retention and precise control through 2 furnace doors. This portable grill includes gloves, a fire poker, and a UV-resistant cover with heat-resistant handles ideal for camping, backyard barbecues, and tailgating. Perfect for easy assembly, powerful performance, and unforgettable outdoor meals. When nature calls far from facilities, reliable and eco-friendly backcountry bathroom gear becomes essential for every outdoor adventure. Meet the Pact Lite Bathroom Kit, an ultralight, all-in-one solution designed for camping, backpacking, bikepacking, paddling, and any trip into the wild. This kit includes an ergonomic, lightweight shovel with a built-in storage compartment, 60 packed mycelium tabs that speed up decomposition and neutralize pathogens, and 20 plant-based compressed wipes. It's the most environmentally responsible way to manage waste, making backcountry bathroom trips cleaner, faster, and safer for nature. When you're on the move, having a reliable way to detect hidden dangers in the air is essential for safe travel and outdoor adventures. The IYOFINE carbon monoxide detector delivers powerful protection in a compact 3-in-1 portable safety monitor designed for camping, hotels, cars, and RVs. It features a loud CO alarm with fast response, refreshing data every 2 seconds, plus ultra-portable magnetic mounting for hands-free use. With a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery offering 300 hours of standby and a clear display, it ensures dependable, real-time monitoring anywhere you go. Staying organized and comfortable during busy travel days becomes effortless with the right gear by your side. The FENRUIEN Business Travel Backpack offers a large capacity, laptop backpack design built with tough 1680D water-resistant Oxford fabric, ultra-fiber leather, and durable SBS zippers. Its multi-compartment system, including an RFID blocking pocket, keeps your essentials secure. The expandable design increases space up to 43 liters, perfect for extra clothes or work items. Breathable padding and widened straps ensure comfort, while the USB charging port keeps your devices powered throughout your journey. Hot water on the road becomes essential for comfort during every RV adventure. The Fogatti RV Tankless water heater brings powerful performance with 9,800 feet altitude suitability, staged combustion tech, and anti-scald protection for safe, steady temperatures. It includes a pre-installed 150 psi valve and a 6.6-foot smart remote for easy control from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 123 degrees Fahrenheit. With forced exhaust, auto shutoff, and minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit antifreeze, it's built for safety. Delivering 2.5 gallons per minute instant hot water with 48,000 BTU, this tankless system keeps RV families supplied without waiting or wasting energy. Soft, reliable light becomes a must-have for every adventure, from mountain trails to cozy glamping nights. The ZOOBELIVES vintage lantern light blends dimmable warm glow, handcrafted alloy design, and USB-C 72-hour runtime into a stunning piece of functional art. Its precision-machined aluminum body, military-grade rope accents, and steampunk-inspired crown create a lantern built to be seen and built to last. With smooth dimming, waterproof protection, and ambience-perfect lighting, it elevates hiking, backpacking, glamping, yoga sessions, and home emergencies with an unforgettable atmosphere. A reliable light source around camp is essential for safety and visibility after dark. The UCO StakeLight tent stake brings smart illumination to your setup with an LED light and emergency strobe, offering both area lighting and tent marking capability. Area mode provides 17 lumens for up to 10 hours, while strobe mode shines for 24 hours to help locate your tent. Crafted from durable 6000 series aluminum, it includes a water-resistant TPE-housed LED, a AAA-powered design, and an integrated on-off switch for dependable performance. Outdoor entertainment needs a reliable, high-quality display for movies, games, and streaming. The BenQ wireless outdoor projector delivers true 1080 pixels, full HD with HDR10, offering vibrant colors, deep contrast, and cinematic visuals. With smart Android TV built in, enjoy Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and more without extra devices. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow wireless streaming or use as a 2.1-channel Bluetooth speaker with extra bass. Its portable, rugged design is splash-proof and drop-resistant, while autofocus and keystone correction make setup effortless, perfect for camping, backyard movie nights, and outdoor adventures. No outdoor adventure is complete without powerful, immersive music that can handle any environment. The SoundExtreme Bluetooth speaker delivers 500 watts peak output with 360-degree sound from 11 marine-grade speakers, including tweeters, mid-range, and woofers. Its multicolor LED backlit speakers sync with music for a dynamic visual effect. Fully waterproof and dustproof, it withstands rain, sand, or snow. Bluetooth 5.0 allows wireless streaming up to 100 feet, and AUX out supports daisy chaining with additional speakers. The T-shaped mount fits golf carts, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, power sports, or beach parties. Every outdoor adventure demands a reliable tool for survival, cutting, and safety. The Mossy oak knife is a 15-inch fixed-blade tactical Bowie knife, featuring a 10-inch razor-sharp stainless steel clip-point blade with sawback, black anodized finish, and superior hardness for rust resistance and edge retention. Its rubber handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip, while the heavy-duty nylon sheath allows safe carrying with belt attachment. Included sharpener and fire starter enhance survival capability, making this knife ideal for camping, bushcraft, survival training, and outdoor adventures. A good night's sleep is essential for enjoying the outdoors to the fullest. Introducing the PineHike Camping Sleeping Pad, a 4-inch ultra-thick memory foam mat with a built-in electric pump and 9.5 R-value insulation for all-season comfort. Its high-resilience 5D sponge reduces noise and enhances comfort, while the one-touch inflation and deflation makes setup fast and effortless. The removable 2,400 mAh rechargeable pump supports multiple cycles, and the lightweight 6.6-pound design with 660 pounds load capacity ensures versatility for camping, tents, car trips, or indoor use. Nothing brings people together outdoors like a warm, cozy fire. The Vivohome portable fire pit delivers 58,000 BTU of smokeless heat with a 20-inch outdoor design perfect for camping, patios, backyards, tailgating, decks, and RVs. It features a stainless steel burner, a hexagonal mesh fence, and a propane tank holder for safety and durability. Foldable legs and a weather-resistant carry bag make it highly portable, while electric ignition ensures quick, effortless use. Includes lava rocks for ambiance, combining convenience, warmth, and safety for any outdoor adventure. Finding a reliable shelter is essential for safe and comfortable nights outdoors. Meet the Hovertent, a modular tent, hammock, and shelter all in one, made in Germany with a focus on quality, health, and ethics. It adapts seamlessly to rain, sun, and wind, providing excellent ventilation, thermal insulation, and comfort even for side sleepers. Features include a detachable inner tent, tensioning system, and storage options. The Hovertent is perfect for forests, mountains, solo or group adventures, offering unmatched versatility for outdoor enthusiasts. Staying organized and comfortable while traveling or hiking is essential for any adventure. The Youmian travel backpack is a durable, convertible duffel and backpack designed for travel, hiking, sports, and airplane carry-on use. With large capacity options, it features separate compartments for laptops, shoes, and personal items. Made of high-quality polyester, it is waterproof, wear-resistant, and scratch-resistant, with smooth metal zippers. Versatile for cycling, swimming, fitness, mountaineering, and hiking, it can be used as a backpack, shoulder bag, or duffel, fitting every travel and outdoor need. A warm and comfortable sleep is essential for outdoor adventures and vehicle camping. The Ignik Flipside heated sleeping pad is a 12-volt powered high-performance heated bed cover designed for camping, RVing, van life, hunting, and other outdoor pursuits. It delivers up to 48 watts per hour heat output, powered by a compatible 12-volt battery or power source. The pad features a handheld controller with display, customizable heat levels, and auto shutoff, while its insulated 100% recycled polyester shell provides cushion, comfort, and durability. It ensures warmth and convenience on the go. Keeping your dishes organized and dry is crucial for any kitchen or outdoor setup. The Joseph Dish Drying Rack features high-capacity stainless steel construction designed to hold large cookware, plates, bowls, and cutlery. It extends when needed for extra drying space and compacts for easy storage. The swivel draining spout can be set in 3 positions for efficient water flow, ideal for camping and outdoor use. Raised ribs prevent water pooling under glasses and bowls, and the large cutlery drainer with knife slots keeps utensils safe and organized. Enjoy effortless precision in the kitchen or at the dining table with a knife designed for comfort and performance. The Ubutt design. Flavius knives are lightweight, handmade German stainless steel steak knives featuring a double serrated blade for perfect meat slicing. The ergonomic, water-resistant, glossy stabilized handle with hand-pinned brass rivets ensures a secure, comfortable grip with minimal drag. Their unique design and elegant material combination make cutting effortless and stylish, and supporting the campaign unlocks an optional knife carry bag for added convenience. Experience ultimate relaxation anywhere with a hammock built for comfort, safety, and durability. The Vybe Hammocks are made from parachute-grade 210T ripstop nylon with triple stitching for maximum strength and long-lasting performance. The cocoon-like design keeps you secure, while the lightweight, breathable, water-resistant material ensures comfort in any weather. Each hammock comes with a 100% natural hemp drawstring bag for easy, compact storage, and innovative tree-safe straps with multiple anchor points for quick setup in under a minute, making outdoor lounging effortless and fun. Stay warm and cozy during outdoor adventures with a blanket designed for comfort and portability. The Gaia Loop Down Puffy Blanket features 80% grey duck down and 20% feather filling with compartmentalized technology for even fluffiness and softness. Lightweight and compact at just 1.5 pounds, it's perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, and travel, and can easily hang on your backpack. Its wearable design with side buttons converts it into a poncho for hands-free warmth, ideal for temperatures above 5 degrees Celsius, and versatile outdoor use. Enjoy outdoor cooking anywhere with a grill designed for convenience and portability. Introducing the Everdure Cube Charcoal Grill, a lightweight, compact tabletop barbecue perfect for tailgates, beaches, patios, or camping. Its all-in-one design includes a preparation board, food storage tray, charcoal tray, firebox, and removable grill rack for easy setup and cleanup. Cool-to-touch handles and an integrated heat guard base allow safe use on any surface. Durable steel construction ensures long-lasting performance for portable, gas-free charcoal grilling. Stay protected from unpredictable weather with a reliable, durable umbrella designed for any outdoor adventure. The Repel umbrella is a compact, premium auto-folding umbrella that withstands winds up to 85 miles per hour while providing excellent rain and sun protection. Its automatic open and close feature allows effortless operation with one touch, and the lightweight, portable design fits easily in backpacks, cars, or purses. Made with a waterproof canopy, reinforced frame, and flexible ribs, it offers long-lasting sturdiness and convenient travel-ready performance. Enjoy comfortable seating anywhere outdoors with a sturdy, portable chair designed for all your adventures. Meet the ever-advanced folding chair, a heavy-duty lawn chair supporting up to 500 pounds, providing a roomy seat for adults to sit freely or stretch out. Built with a steel frame, hard armrests, a swivel cup holder, and a mesh side pocket, it combines comfort and convenience. Lightweight at 16.4 pounds, it's collapsible and ready for camping, beach trips, travel, or backyard use. Stay warm and dry during cold weather outdoor activities with versatile winter pants built for protection and comfort. The two Met pants are insulated, fleece-lined, and water-repellent. Crafted from 100% polyester with spandex softshell fabric for flexibility and warmth. Featuring articulated knees, 5 secured zipper pockets, and a windproof outer layer, they provide comfort, mobility, and safe storage for your essentials. Ideal for skiing, snowboarding, hiking, camping, fishing, or winter travel, these pants combine breathability, moisture wicking, and superior insulation for all-season outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching. These 25 pieces of gear are all about making your weekend escapes easier, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. If any of them match what you need, grab them while they're available. I'll be bringing more helpful camping guides and gear rundowns for all kinds of trips. If you liked this video, consider hitting like and subscribing so you don't miss what's next. Get outside, enjoy the adventure, and make your weekends count.